Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I am sharing with you a little bit of a Christmas haul plus a little bit of like a home haul, you could say, of all the things I've been purchasing for around my house over the past month or so. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video, and of course if you do, I'd love you to stick around, subscribe, and of course turn on those notification bells so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So first of all, I thought I would share with you the random shops that I have before I get into like a few more pieces from just the one shop. The first thing I got was this window washer. So this one here obviously has a little tank at the bottom which you can unscrew. And you can put in like dishwashing liquid and some vinegar. So that's what I'm going to use to clean my shower when I'm inside the shower. So I did share how I clean my shower in my shower cleaning video, which will save you up to 3 years. Gotta watch it, 90% of your cleaning time. So anyway, yes, I did do that video, but that sort of shows you if you're outside the shower. This one here is just what I'm going to be doing inside the shower just to maintain it every day. So after I have a shower, I always squeegee my shower just so there's no watermarks and it keeps it nice. But I thought that it'd be nice just to add the microfiber cloth there, and I can just pump this up so it's got a little spray thing and you know, clean at the same time. And another one of my random items was this one here, which is the oil and vinegar dispenser. So I like the fact that it's not transparent, which some people probably wouldn't like the fact that it's not transparent because obviously you can't see how much you've got in there, but I don't like to be able to see my stuff. And I think it looks so much nicer. If it was clear, then I probably wouldn't care, but because the oil's got that yellow color, it's just not nice to look at. And I have had it in clear things in the past, and I've always opted to not have it. So this is what the white one looks like, and it's just got this beautiful like wooden lid. So that's that one, and I've also got the black one as well. It's a bit more of a shinier finish actually than this one. This one's more of a matte, the white is, so I probably do prefer more the matte. But it also comes in a white and the stone as well. So that's a stone there. So these were $25 for the two. So it was one of the most affordable places I found to buy them from. So I might end up doing an organise with me video where I go through and just reorganise things in the home. And I might do that as I go. This is the other item that I purchased, which you can see is way too heavy for me to be able to show you inside. So basically each shelf holds 625 kilos. So this one is the big sucker. So he was $307 from Bunnings. And this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to put this together very shortly, and you'll see a sort of like a part one of the garage organisation coming along in the new year. The next item is, these are so cute. I'm not going to show you all my daughter's Christmas presents because you probably don't really that interested, but these are too cute not to share. These are from Cotton On Kids. They're like the aviator sunglasses. I absolutely love them. They're called pilot sunglasses, they call them. They're so cute. I have a pair that's exactly the same, so I thought it would be cute to have the adult and kids pair. So now we're going to get into the shop stuff, all the stuff that I got from mainly the same shops. So I'm going to start off with Adairs, which is one of my favorites. I got this velvety feeling Santa sack. So you can see like it's pretty cute. And obviously in the princess pattern. I was actually thinking this year I'm not going to wrap majority of her presents. She's getting a Barbie dream house, so that's definitely not going to fit in here. But I'm not going to wrap like any of her clothes or anything like that. That's pretty much all I got was clothes and that. And the Barbie dream house. So I'm not going to wrap any of it. I'm just going to put it in this. So the idea behind getting the Santa sack was actually so I could be a little bit less, you know, wasteful over Christmas, because I just see like all this wrapping paper just gets thrown in the bin. Okay, so the next product I got were these. These are called the world's most softest sheets, and they feel so nice. My partner actually purchased some of these for his bed, and they were just so good that I had to go out and get some of my own. And I just got a pillow top mattress and none of my sheets actually fit, so it was even better excuse to go and buy a nice pair of sheets. These were not cheap. I think it was around $160, so they're a fair investment. But yeah, they do have a money back guarantee as well. So if you're not happy with them, then you can get your money back. And I'm pretty sure this was called Crystal Pink, the color. So from Kmart, this one here I did get a while ago, but I thought I would share with you anyway. I just recently done a Kmart hack using these sheets. So this is called the Forest Fawn sheets. So again, they're kids, but the hack that I did, you could use any bed sheets that you want and you could make it an adult like hack if you wanted to. For your craft room would be a perfect spot to use the hack item that I've made. And yeah, I just think they're gorgeous. They honestly do look like something from Adairs. Maybe the quality is not the same as Adairs, but it definitely is a pretty cute set for like the price range. The other item that I got were these scissors. These are pet thinning scissors. So I have a white fur baby, Dim Sim, and he is so hairy, and every summer he gets really matted. Even if I brush him lots, he still gets really matted. So these, I reckon they were about $3, but they're pet thinning scissors. So I'm going to give these a shot and see how I go. I was going to get clippers, but I think that if I go the scissors, because I'm able to cut his fur already with scissors, then these are going to be better off because he won't be freaking out. The other item that I got, which again was for the fur babies, again from Kmart, I think this was $15, was the pet bed. So I do have one black fur baby and one white fur baby. So you can imagine trying to match up everything so the fur doesn't, you know, show. I didn't think of that before I got one black cat and one white cat. So anyway, this is what I've sort of come up with. So it's just got the white fur on the outside and then you can see there's like black underneath it. So I'm hoping that the fur doesn't show up as much on this one. Now, this book here was gifted to me and I'm pretty sure that this is a Kmart book because everybody's packs had everything from Kmart. So I'm going to say it's a Kmart book. It is a self-care journal. Now, I really like this book. Every page is different. They're not the same as well. So I just really like these and I just find it's just so inspiring and there's so many inspirational quotes in here. And it's even got things about cleaning and organizing in here, which is, you know, this is my jam. This is what all my channels are really about. So absolutely love this book and I might even buy a couple of these to gift for Christmases for people. Okay, now we're getting into the Christmas stuff. And if you guys don't know, I love Elf on a Shelf. So yes, it is a pain in the butt for me to do it and I have forgotten it sometimes, but I feel like the look on your child's face every morning is like Christmas morning, and coming up with these little ideas and seeing the excitement on my child's face, it has really brought the Christmas spirit back into me as an adult in Christmas. So this whole haul I'm showing you is from the Reject Shop. So the first item I got was this bag of farts. Yeah. I had the bag of laughs last year. I don't know what I'm going to plan with Elf to use this, but last year we used the bag of laughs, which is also from the Reject Shop, and it has the most scariest laugh in the world, and the look on my daughter's face was absolutely priceless. And the next item I got was this Elf surveillance camera, and it's actually for the Elf to report bad behavior back to Santa. But I was thinking we might record his bad behavior. So I'm going to try and work my magic and make some sort of video of the Elf getting up to no good. I'll edit it and then show my daughter. This is what I've uploaded from the camera last night. I'll probably do this as one of the last ones because otherwise she's going to want me to check every day. And I'm not making like 24 videos. That is just insane. So it'll be one of the last ones that I do as well. And the next one I have is this Elf Footprint Stencils, and I'm thinking I might use it with this one or I might use it when they first come in. I haven't really actually decided, but this was only $3 as well. So is a pretty good steal, and I'll just use this like year and years to come, so I'm not too upset about spending money on like $3 on this piece of plastic that's really rubbish. Okay, and for the last bit, which is Christmas decorations, believe it or not, from Spoils. So I got these flowers, so they look like this in the shop. They don't look like much, but when you spread them out, this is what they look like. So really pretty, and they have a clip on the bottom here, so you can just clip them to your Christmas tree or wherever you want to put them, and then obviously for storage, you can just fold them back up because there are wires at the back. So I really liked these, $2.50, super affordable. Then I got these ones as well. These ones also clip onto the Christmas tree. They did have other colors in these, as did they have other colors in these ones as well. And these were $3 for the 3-pack. Honestly, they were really an impulse buy. I just thought they were cute, which I don't do a lot of impulse buying. And then after that I went, okay, I'm going home. I'm going to put my Christmas stuff up and I'm going to work out what I actually need. And then I never put my Christmas stuff up. Yeah, because I've got too many projects on the go, guys. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's little haul. And I look forward to seeing you next week for a new video. Don't forget to go and check me out on Instagram. If you do have any video suggestions regarding organizing, decorating, cleaning, productivity, anything around that, hit me up and I'll see what I can do for you. And I'll catch up with you guys next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.